Grand Rising. Today I want to talk about why you should never give up. Why you should never give up. Imagination creates all reality. We're taught by Neville Goddard that we must persist in our assumption. So whatever concept that you have of yourself, you should persist. You should keep pursuing that thought, that emotion, that feeling. And then once you persist in this, you're going to embody that feeling. You're going to embody those qualities, which are going to move you to that place in your 3D world. But what happens whenever you put in a situation to where you can't persist? Maybe the complete opposite happens of what you desire. So Neville Goddard says we must persist in this assumption. But what are you supposed to do when you're in a situation and you feel like you can't control the outcome? It's against all odds. Well, I'm here to tell you that you should never quit. You should never quit. Because in the midst of that adversity, in the midst of the storm, your higher self is preparing you for a situation that you cannot see right now. Think of a situation maybe about 5 years ago, 2 years ago, you were in a situation and you were down. Maybe you hit rock bottom. Maybe you didn't have anybody to call. Maybe you were sad, depressed, lonely. Maybe you went through a breakup, divorce, and you didn't know how you were going to get out of it. And look at you now. You're out of that situation. You're here listening to this video. So this is why you should never quit. So the same way that you persisted many years ago in those situations, you're going to do the same thing now. So you're going to place your attention, you're going to go back in time to where you actually overcame an obstacle that you thought was impossible. Any situation that you can remember. So that could be maybe graduating college, maybe doing well on an interview, maybe you went to the gym and you hit a personal record, maybe you bought your first house, your first car, maybe you overcame some health issues. Think about that situation, how strong you are, and you didn't quit. So why would you quit now? Your new desires that you have now are definitely attainable and you can have them. And I'm here to tell you that you should never quit. And you should never quit because you're worthy of it. You deserve it. You know you deserve it. That's why you're still fighting for it. That's why you're here listening to this video. So I'm here just to give you a little boost and a little reminder that why you should never quit. You should never settle. Never settle. Whatever image you have, whatever assumption that you have of yourself, keep on pushing. Keep on persisting in that assumption. And before you know it, you're going to have it. But guess what? Then you're going to have another desire. And you're going to have to overcome another challenge. But throughout this process of you growing, you're learning self-discipline. You're being a better model for those around you. You're inspiring other people. We all have to be self-motivated, but you're inspiring other people. So it's not necessarily all about you whenever you persist in this assumption. This is collective. We're all here together. So when you help yourself, you're helping other people. Now you see why you shouldn't quit. You want freedom, don't you? You want self-love, don't you? You want to be able to travel, don't you? So this is why you should never quit. It's about freedom, self-love, and elevating others. Go back to your why. Why do you want that certain specific desire? Why do you want that? Write it down. Write the thing down that you want. And then on another piece of paper, write down 5 reasons that you deserve it. 5 reasons why you deserve it. And whenever you feel like, oh, I can't persist in my assumption right now, you pull out this list and you read to yourself why you deserve it. And it's going to alter your mood. You want to focus on your mindset, baby. That's what it's all about, focusing on your mind. Because remember, there's nothing out here. There's nothing out here. Everything out here is a reflection of your mind. But there's going to be things out here that are going to remind you that you're not persistent in your assumptions. So you want to be thankful for this 3D world because it's always on your side. The universe is always on your side. So this is why you should never quit. You deserve to have an abundant life. You deserve to be healthy. You deserve to experience joy in your life. You deserve to be with your friends, your family. You deserve to have all this. You deserve to smile. If you're not smiling right now, smile. Smile with me. You deserve to be happy. If you've been working every single day like me, and sometimes you feel stressed, take a day off. Take a day off. Relax. Write down some goals. This is going to help you not to quit. When you write things down, this makes it real. I know it does for me. I feel good when I write it down. It kind of helps me reimagine the things that I want. And remember that where the mind goes, the feet soon will follow. So you should never quit because you absolutely deserve it. Life is good. If you like this video and it resonates with you, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell icon. Go out there and use your gifts and make life happen.